Saul Reisman of Saul's Automotive, and today we're going to give a shout out to our friends at Our Gang Ice Racing. Now these folks live up in Georgetown, Colorado, about 30-40 miles west of Denver, and they offer something that nobody else does. While they do operate a racing circuit that allows people to have fun, get out and experience a true racing adrenaline rush just like they would at any other track, the folks in Georgetown have us race on a frozen lake. We actually race on Georgetown Lake for 3 months out of the year, from December until mid-March, mid-February, just depending on what the season allows us. Because we're able to race on that lake in a zero traction situation, we're able to help educate drivers. If you've got a young driver or simply an uneducated driver, maybe you just moved to Colorado, you've never driven in the snow and mountainous conditions, this is a great experience for you to learn your vehicle in a controlled and safe situation. Any vehicle that's four-wheel or all-wheel drive is allowed to go out on the ice. They host free sessions that all you have to pay is a tech inspection just to get the vehicle inspected to make sure you're safe, and they'll let you go out on the ice and play around. They'll even let you race head-to-head against your friends in anything four-wheel or all-wheel drive. Now, this sounds like fun, and it really is, but the reality of why we do it is because we want people to be safe. A couple of years ago when we were out on Lake Georgetown, we saw a father with his wife and 2 kids in their Dodge Grand Caravan, all-wheel drive with its regular tires, out on the ice. And a lot of people looked at them and said, well, that's weird, that's not a race car. No, that's a smart parent looking out for the safety of their kids, trying to learn how to best use their vehicle in all situations so that they stay safe. We highly recommend taking young teenage drivers to the course, as it allows them to really experience what a slide or a drift is like without putting fear right into their chest every time. If you'd like to experience such, or if you simply want to be able to get out and have fun and enjoy the races, give the folks at Our Gang a shout. You can find them online on Facebook or at OurGangIceRacing.com. They would be happy for your support. This industry is very, very slowly dying because of a lack of participation. This is a fantastic safety opportunity for young drivers and a great way to enjoy the weather out here in Colorado. We strongly encourage you to get out on the ice and have some fun. And let the folks at Our Gang know that Saul's Automotive sent you, because we would love to be out there on the ice with you every weekend. Give us a call at Saul's Automotive if you have any concerns, 303-919-7769. In the meantime, stay safe.